All right, I'm actually having a video from the inside of my car because got a pretty good amount of rainfall coming in. This is Ollie's Bargain Outlet, good stuff cheap. It's an outlet store. I came in to get a couple of items today. Two 50-foot garden hoses. They came in at $10 a piece. Something similar, say at Wal Mart, was $20 a piece. They got everything in there, and here's an example of some pricing. Say just a regular box fan, the Wal Mart price is $26, $27. Here, they're $17.99. Gardening supplies, lots of air conditioners. Oh, large patio umbrellas, 37 bucks. A lot more money, say at Walmart and Lowe's or Home Depot. So here again, Ollie's Bargain Outlet. From the information I've got, they have 515 stores in 30 states. I mean, they got everything from food supplies to mattresses to paint to automotive things. Check them out online. When you go in here, you'll probably spend more money than what you intended to because you find some really great bargains in here. I like this store. I give it a thumbs up.